GeoDict is widely known for simulation and digital materials engineering. What's less known is that GeoDict is also a powerful standalone platform for image processing and image analysis, which focuses on extracting reliable, quantitative insight directly from image data. The image processing and image analysis in GeoDict supports and feeds into other workflows like filtration, electrochemistry, and digital materials R&D, but it can also be used completely on its own. Many customers already get all the value they need from image processing and analysis without going further into simulation. For this, all starts with image data, typically micro-CT or FIB-SEM. GeoDict handles this data efficiently by importing, cleaning, segmenting, and building a precise 3D digital representation. From there, GeoDict computes detailed quantitative descriptors of the material or component. Simulation is optional here, where characterization alone often delivers immediate value. In many real-world cases, customers don't need simulation to answer their key questions. They need to know, is this part acceptable? How does this sample compare to another? What changed in the manufacturing process? GeoDict's image analysis provides these answers quickly, objectively, and reproducibly. Let's see some examples. The porosity analysis using the PoreDict module of GeoDict provides percentage values, pore size distribution, pore shape factors, and much more. GeoDict's FiberFind module segments individual fibers across the entire sample and performs comprehensive statistical analysis. GeoDict's GrainFind module accurately separates individual particles and analyzes the particle size distribution. High-quality visualization of data in the form of impressive 3D images and videos are crucial for presentation and for showcasing results. It is equally important to have the ability to include these into reports with statistical information. Automation of routine analysis tasks helps saving time. This, and much more, can be achieved with the GeoDict Python interface, called GeoPy. All scientific imaging equipment users benefit from professional software with advanced quantification and reporting tools. This is where GeoDict is perfect. It is important to understand that the customers of this business unit can upgrade easily to simulation and digital twin workflows when they are ready to further understand their material performance and optimize it. Finally, here are the unique and strongest points where GeoDict outperforms the competition. These include optimized modules for fibers and grains, tortuosity quantification, and unique tools for materials scientists. Get in touch today to hear how GeoDict can work for you.